PHANT AI video and image maker versus iMovie in 2025. Are you trying to create amazing videos for your business or side hustle? Well, you have a lot of choices, especially in this year 2025. In this 1 minute breakdown, we're going to compare to the futuristic PHANT AI video, image and video maker with the classic iMovie. We'll show you which app is better for quick AI-powered content and which one gives you hands-on creative control. You need to find the perfect tool to grow your brand without wasting time or money. So let's get started. Today we're cracking the code, but everybody knows that one is a household name and the other one is a newcomer. The household name is iMovie and the newcomer is PHANT AI. So let's compare these two and see if we should stick with the old, the household name, or go for the new guy. So let's get started. So let's start with what they are best for. PHANT AI Video Maker is best for speed and automation. iMovie, on the other hand, is best for hands-on editing. When we look at the vibe they create, PHANT AI Video just uses prompts like create a video for me, while iMovie does something like I want to edit this myself. Yes, you have to edit it yourself. When you look at their key strengths, PHANT AI has AI scripts to video. So just type in the idea and get a full video in minutes. While iMovie, it has a user-friendly timeline that you just drag and drop. So that's just simply what you do. Then when you look at the learning curve for PHANT AI, it's practically zero. While that of iMovie is a gentle slope. Then look at the platform where you can use PHANT AI. We have the web version, the iOS version, and the Android version. Then for the iMovie, unfortunately, we really have for the Apple devices only Apple devices like Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Lastly, let's look at 2025. What is it good for? What are they good for in 2025 and above? Well, PHANT AI is good for. It's perfect for rapid fire social media content, which everyone wants to make these days. While iMovie is ideal for polished vlogs and family videos. So here's the deal. PHANT AI is like having a robotic film director. You give it an idea, and its artificial intelligence does the heavy lifting. Finding clips, adding music, even doing a basic voiceover is incredibly fast. iMovie, on the other hand, is our reliable, super intuitive editing suite. You have total control from start to finish. It is perfect if you already have your footage and you love the creative process. But remember, it is exclusive to the Apple ecosystem. So the quick verdict is if you need to pump out content fast and love the power of AI, PHANT AI is a winner. But if you enjoy the art of editing and you're invested in Apple products, iMovie is still a fantastic free choice. Both can save you money compared to expensive pro software. The best tool just depends on your goals. That's all we have. Did we help you decide? Let us know in the comments which one you're trying. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tips that save you time and money. See you in the next one.